Hey my friends, welcome back to Crypto Owl Predictor, your primary destination for deep dive technical analysis and AI-driven market forecasts. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a project that has completely redefined the intersection of real estate and blockchain infrastructure. While most people are still stuck in the old ways of property investing, dealing with mountains of paperwork and massive entry costs, this project has built a high-speed, decentralized bridge that allows anyone to own a piece of global real estate with total transparency. Stick around until the very end, because our AI models have just finished processing the latest 2026 data, including the massive Prop.com portfolio expansion and the recent $1 million Treasury buyback program. And we've identified an explosive price target this coin during this bull run. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated on every major AI signal. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before making any decisions in the crypto market. The real estate revolution: why Propchain is winning. In the world of 2026, the global real estate market, historically one of the most illiquid and gate-kept industries on Earth, is undergoing a massive digital transformation. We have officially entered the era of real-world asset tokenization, and Propchain is at the absolute forefront of this movement. Propchain isn't just a platform. It is an entire ecosystem designed to modernize property investment. By leveraging blockchain, AI, and IoT, Propchain allows investors to fractionalize ownership of high-value buildings. In early 2026, the data shows that the demand for on-chain real estate has skyrocketed as investors look for stable, yield-generating assets to balance their digital portfolios. Propchain is the engine making that possible. What is Propchain? The gateway to fractional ownership. Propchain is a blockchain-powered marketplace that provides users with the tools to invest in and trade global real estate developments of all sizes and locations. The pillars of the 2026 strategy. The Prop.com integration. Propchain is the technology layer for Prop.com, a global asset manager with a massive real estate portfolio. This partnership ensures that the assets being tokenized are vetted, high quality, and managed by professionals. PropYield fixed income. A major breakthrough in early 2026 has been the expansion of PropYield, allowing investors to earn consistent rental income and capital appreciation through a streamlined, user-friendly app. Multi-chain interoperability. Using technologies like Wormhole and Chainlink-CCIP, Propchain has expanded its reach across Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. This means you can move your real estate tokens across different chains with zero friction. The $1 million plus buyback program. The Propchain Foundation has been aggressively repurchasing tokens from the open market. In late 2025 and early 2026, they consolidated over 1.9 million tokens into a transparent on-chain wallet, significantly tightening the supply. 2026 breakthroughs. Reaching mainstream adoption. What has our AI models so excited in February 2026 is the transition from pilot programs to enterprise-grade deployment. Regulatory leadership. Propchain has focused heavily on compliance, aligning with frameworks in the UAE and Europe. This has cleared the path for institutional funds to begin using the platform for automated property management. AI-powered risk assessment. The platform now uses advanced AI algorithms to analyze historical trends, vacancy rates, and economic indicators to provide real-time valuations for every tokenized building. IoT property monitoring. In early 2026, Propchain integrated IoT devices into its managed properties. This allows investors to see real-time data on energy usage and maintenance, ensuring the highest level of transparency ever seen in real estate. The Prop token, the utility of the ecosystem. The Prop token is the native utility and governance engine that powers the Propchain marketplace. In 2026, its role is more critical than ever. Access to tokenization. Developers and property owners must use Prop to access the platform's tokenization services and smart contract infrastructure. Staking for VIP rewards. By staking Prop, users unlock higher-tier investment opportunities, lower fees, and a share of the platform's overall revenue. Governance power. Prop holders vote on which new geographic markets to enter and which distressed properties should be prioritized for acquisition by the community fund. Supply scarcity. With the ongoing treasury buybacks and more tokens being locked in long-term staking pools, the available supply of Prop is shrinking even as the RWA sector grows 5 times in 2026. The AI prediction, targeting 1.6 US. Now, let's dive into the data our AI models have been crunching. We've analyzed the 1.5 million unit daily trading volume and the successful execution of the V3 staking migration, which has stabilized the network's liquidity. Our models look at the RWA sector momentum. In 2026, the market is shifting from speculative hype to structural liquidity. As institutional demand for tokenized funds accelerates and real estate becomes a primary on-chain asset class, our AI sees a massive valuation gap closing for the leaders in this space. The AI prediction. Based on the current Treasury buyback frequency and the projected $3 billion investor equity target for the PropYield products, our AI predicts that Propchain could reach a target of 1.6 US during this bull run. Why 1.6 US is a high conviction goal. To reach 1.6 US, Prop would be achieving a valuation that reflects its dominance as a top-tier real estate tokenization protocol. In 2026, the project is no longer just a small-cap bet. It is a verified infrastructure leader with a billion-unit portfolio of physical assets backing its ecosystem. A 1.6 unit price represents a healthy, data-backed target that aligns with the projected 5 times growth of the tokenized real estate sector this year. It is a level that our AI considers highly attainable as more retail and institutional users realize the power of owning fractional brick-and-mortar assets on the blockchain. Final thoughts: building the future. Propchain is proving that the world's most valuable asset class doesn't have to be stagnant. By bringing real estate onto the blockchain, they are creating a more inclusive, transparent, and profitable market for everyone. Keep a close eye on the Vision 2030 roadmap updates and the monthly buyback reports throughout 2026. The shift toward RWA is the defining theme of this cycle, and Propchain is leading the way. Thank you for tuning into CryptoOwl Predictor. We appreciate your support as we continue to track the most disruptive RWA and infrastructure protocols in the space.